So you might be wondering who and what YAAR is. We are the inspiring collection of bold and visionary youths united by a shared passion for driving change. We work to transcend boundaries, infuse arts with advocacy,
through thought-provoking drawings, vibrant visual expressions, and poignant theatrical stands.
It's our unwavering commitment to education and social advocacy,
harnessing the power of creative arts to ignite transformative shifts,
fearlessly pushing boundaries and embracing unity.
From the luscious white mountains to the fertile plain lands,
bridging together culture, ideas, and identities, our culture.
We welcome you to join us in harmony,
to stand as a testament to the potency of collaboration.
We stand to represent everyone who wishes to be the change.
We are the youth.
We are the advisory members.
We are the advocates.
We are the researchers.
We are the arts.
In the heart of Kathmandu Valley, connecting youths from diverse communities from the mountain hills and Tarai, a spark ignited. A spark of hope, change, and young voices rising from empowerment and social advocacy in the nation. A group of 30 young girls between the ages of 16 and 24 from different backgrounds joined together for a shared dream to form the Youth Advisory Advocacy Research Forum, the YAARs. This is one of the initiatives from the Mobile Arts of Peace Applied Research Project that works in Nepal as well as 3 other countries. The journey of YAAR began with an intense 4-week training program where experts in the field of education, research, and theatre were invited, providing us with intricate workshops that combine the world of arts and policies together. After that, the YAAR team hit the ground running, venturing into diverse communities and schools. The team first went to Surkhet in the mid-western part of Nepal, where we experimented with art-based techniques such as image theatre. Image theatre is an art-based practice in which people don't use words to express their feelings, but instead use their bodies and gestures. This art form became our bread and butter to showcase social problems and solutions within communities. We then took this learning to Hetauda, Tikabhairab and Lalitpur, where the girls facilitated and led workshops. Our journey taught us that young people face different issues in different parts of the country. All of these images were presented to local policymakers invited to the program, which helped to bridge the gap between youth and communities in such a manner. Our journey took a significant leap when the YAAR participated in UNESCO and MAP National Roundtable and Dialogue on Culture and Arts Education. We presented our Image Theatre Act, which showcased the current situation of policy discourse in the country, which severely lacks youth representation, especially from an arts and research-based perspective. We conveyed this hope that there is a seat at every education policy table for young people, especially girls, to share their ideas and innovations concerning their future and development. Keeping up with this momentum, the YAAR team also presented 2 policy briefs at the UNESCO Roundtable, which were the fruit of all our experiences working on this activism journey. This YAAR journey hasn't been without challenges. Initially coming from diverse backgrounds, we had difficulty finding synergy in this group of 30 girls. It took a lot of communication and understanding from all sides to come together as a team. It was difficult at the start to make even local level policymakers listen to what we had to say. For the first time, we were asking our elders to also listen to us. It was also a new concept of advocacy for arts in education. But through each of these obstacles, we've emerged stronger, wiser, and more determined. We have learned to approach various social issues more holistically, encouraging each other to listen and share stories. We have learned to ask for a seat at education forums and share our opinions. Every day, we are learning and improving ourselves. Our story is still being written. Our voices continue to rise and our actions ripple outwards, creating a wave of change. We are more than just a team. We are a movement, and we welcome any young female mind that wishes to be a catalyst for this change. This is YAAR, the Youth Advisory Advocacy Research Forum, and our journey is just beginning.